Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yeah.
Sit. Sit. Good girl.
Are you better now? Do you feel better now? I moved your roommate out because you complained so much.
Mum got me a swimming pool. What the fuck is this? Don't splash me. OMG, I bloody love this. I'm so excited. Wee. Ouch.
Mommy baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
You're my baby?
Yes. And I'm fucking cute.
Roly-Poly is mad. Should we let him out?
What? You don't need anything. You've already pooped, peed, and you've had food. What does he need, Opie? Tell him he doesn't need anything.
Oh, no, thank you. I would like to sit here instead.
You don't want to go outside, go pee?
No, I'm outside right now and I don't want to pee. It's okay.
But you're stinking up the house.
It's okay. Maybe we come up with a safe word, and then if I say the word, it means I'll be able to go outside.
Come on, buddy.
What's our safe word?
Come on.
I'm thinking giraffe.
Come on.
That's a new safe. I didn't say it.